keep the eyes, heart, and stomach healthy with just one root vegetable. Parsnips look like white carrots, but they just come from the same family. This root veggie is actually from another species and it has different nutrition than its more popular counterpart. Parsnips are delicious with a nutty flavor and are quite versatile. Plus, they provide an impressive array of health benefits. For the eyes. High vitamin C content. This root vegetable boosts health of the eyes. It can help prevent macular degeneration that usually affects people 60 years and above. You don't have to wait until you're older to take care of your eyes. Eating parsnips regularly can give you the vitamin C your eyes need to gain protection against macular degeneration. Eye healthy nutrients. Parsnips contain essential nutrients for the eyes, including vitamin D and D, zinc, and beta-carotene. Research showed that people who develop macular degeneration are deficient from the mentioned nutrients. For the heart. High fiber content. Parsnips have been praised for their high content of soluble fiber. This nutrient is important in reducing high cholesterol levels, which boosts heart health. Loaded with potassium. Adding parsnips to your daily diet can have a great impact on your heart health. This mineral acts as a vasodilator, which means it helps widen the blood vessels by relaxing the muscle cells in the walls of those vessels. Parsnips have been praised for their high content of soluble fiber, help. For the stomach. Ample fiber. Aside from fiber helping improve the health of the heart, it also boosts digestive health. It is the nutrient you need if you're always suffering from constipation, as it can help relieve or avoid this condition. Just 1 cup of parsnips can give 7 grams of fiber. Parsnips can help keep things moving, so you don't feel uncomfortable due to constipation. However, be careful if you're prone to bloating, as parsnips are among the veggies that can cause gas. Other health benefits. Aside from the ones mentioned above, regular consumption of parsnips can provide the following benefits. Parsnips are loaded with manganese, which is helpful in healthy bone and cartilage production, as this mineral is a cofactor of glycotransferase, the bone enzyme. Women who suffer from osteoporosis have low levels of manganese. The vegetables are also rich in folate, which is required for pregnant women to reduce likelihood of birth defects for their unborn child. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and organic compounds, can help protect the body against invaders that affect the immune system. Make sure you go for common parsnip and not wild parsnip, which is also known as poison parsnip. The stems and the leaves of this plant are toxic and can cause contact dermatitis, among others.